Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to tackle a question I get asked all the time. How do I build a successful side hustle if I only have $1,000 to start with? If you've been thinking about starting something on the side but you're not sure where to begin or what to do with that initial investment, then stick around because this video is for you. Now, I know there are countless options out there and it can feel overwhelming, but I'm going to break it down into actionable steps that you can take today. Whether you're looking to create an online business, offer a service, or even start a small product line, there's something here for everyone. The first thing you need to do is identify your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? These questions are crucial because the more aligned your side hustle is with your interests, the more likely you are to stick with it. For example, if you're skilled in graphic design, consider offering freelance services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. On the other hand, if you're passionate about fitness, you might explore starting a personal training business or an online fitness course. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to validate your idea. This means making sure there's actually a market for what you want to offer. You can do this by researching your competition, conducting surveys, or even testing your idea with a small group of people. The goal here is to ensure that there's demand for your product or service before you invest too much time and money. After validation, it's time to start building. With $1,000, you'll need to be strategic about where you allocate your funds. A significant portion might go towards creating a website, which is often the first point of contact for potential customers. Fortunately, platforms like WordPress or Wix make it easy and affordable to set up a professional-looking site. Another essential investment is marketing. Whether that's social media ads, content creation, or email marketing, you'll need to get the word out about your new venture. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle is consistency. Start small, but stay committed. Even if you can only dedicate a few hours a week, those hours add up over time. Track your progress, learn from your mistakes, and don't be afraid to pivot if something isn't working. And there you have it. A simple, actionable guide to starting a side hustle with just $1,000. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on entrepreneurship and personal finance. Let me know in the comments what kind of side hustle you're thinking about starting. I'd love to hear from you.